Are you facing the something went wrong error on TikTok on your iPhone? This issue usually happens due to network problems, outdated apps, or corrupted cache files. In this video, I'll show you how to fix this something went wrong error and get TikTok working smoothly on your iPhone. So, let's dive in. Before doing that, open up the Safari app. Type fast.com. Make sure you have a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. Turn on airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn this off. After doing these basic things, if still you have the same issues, then follow my advanced solutions. Solution 1. Offload the TikTok app. First, open up Settings. Then tap General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the TikTok app. If you don't find the TikTok here, tap on Show All. Next, tap on TikTok. Then tap Offload. Again tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go ahead and check if the issue is solved or not. If still you have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 2. Update the TikTok app. Open up the App Store. Tap on the search icon. Type TikTok. Tap on TikTok from here. If you see that any updates are there, then simply tap and update the TikTok app. Now go ahead and check if your issue is solved or not. If you still have the same issue, then follow my next solution. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Go to the Settings app. Tap General. Scroll down. Then tap Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Enter the passcode of your iPhone if needed. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After resetting the network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. If not, then follow my last solution. Solution 4. Check Down Detector. Open up the Safari browser. Next, tap on the search box. Type Down Detector without any space. Tap on the first link. Then, tap on the search icon from the top right corner. Now search TikTok. Next, tap TikTok from here. Here, you will be able to see if officially the TikTok app is down or not. If you see that the TikTok app is down, then you have to wait for some time. The TikTok team will solve this as soon as possible. And this is how you can fix the something went wrong error on TikTok using your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.